In front of me is Xiaomi 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Select OK in Welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on and go into Tab menu. Now you need to select Edit at the bottom of it. Scroll all the way down and look for Caffeine shortcut in order to add it to your currently used ones. Tap on the check mark at the top right corner and click on your new shortcut to activate it. Last but not least, choose Allow modifying system settings if it's your first time clicking on the shortcut. Go back to Tab menu and tap on it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!